We are pleased to show you the 2018 A4. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system, rear fog light. Inside you'll find rear view camera, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, overhead console, trip odometer, rear floor mats. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.